Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Hey, 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 ho, 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 this is Charlie, UpStreamCharlie, and welcome to another episode. And today, like I mentioned in my previous video, I shopped around for several mini portable wireless speakers. So this one, again, comes from the TNG flagship store in Lazada. So this is the TG-311. Okay, so it has a microphone, it has TF USB port, and also it has a radio. So again, microphone if you want to use it for your video conferencing or for your telephone calls, mobile phone calls, you could do so. And it has also a LED party lights. Okay, so it has a button. It does a variety of colorful lights modes. Okay, light modes niya. Okay. So, ano bang specs nitong TG-311? So, it has 5.1 Bluetooth, no? So, mas mataas siya ng konti. So, what else? May hands-free ka for the microphone. Plus, again, may working distance ng wireless ng 10 meters. Meron siyang baterya na 1,200 milliamps. And what else? Meron siyang normal volume playing time na 4 hours. And yung speaker driver niya is around 52 millimeter. And then charging time niya is around 3 to 4 hours. Of course, yung speakers niya, meron siyang one piece of 5-watt speaker. So, dapat malakas to. No, mas maganda dapat sa 3-watt speaker. So, let's open this up. Okay. So, sa loob, makikita natin yung binili ko na gray speaker. And ito yung manual niya. Again, it has English and Chinese instructions. Tapos ang kanyang charger. So, wala siyang aux cable, just the charging cable. So, let's slide this baby out. And we have the gray. Check natin yung kanyang itsura sa baba, sa likod, sa gilid, sa tuktok, at sa harap. Ano bang niya, materyales niya? Sa likod, ABS plastic. Sa gilid, sa baba, sa taas, ABS plastic. Again, meron tayong non-slip, rubber stoppers. Okay, so ayun yung rubber stoppers niya. So, maganda ba ang grip? Maganda. Hindi basta-basta. So, okay siya. So, sa harap, like I said, ABS plastic all around and at the back. And on front, meron siyang metallic grill with the TNG logo. Okay. Hindi naman natutuklap yung logo. So, basta-basta. So, that's okay. Sa likod, meron tayong diaphragm or exhaust. At sa taas naman, meron tayong mga function keys. Sa extreme left and extreme right, nandun yung negative and positive. So, alam na natin yan pag skip ng files, saka increase and decrease ng volume. Then the mode, and then the pause and play. And ito yung control button. Ito yung control button para sa dancing lights dito. LED lights dyan. So, let's try to turn on this product. The TG-311.
Bluetooth mode.
Oh, ayan na yung dancing lights niya. Nice. Maganda din yung intro, no? Yung voice prompt. May voice prompt kaya pag nag-turn off tayo? Wala. So, let's try to turn it on again.
Bluetooth mode.
Okay, malakas yung signal, mas malakas yung voice niya. So, that's good. Maririnig mo agad na naka-turn on. So, at the back, meron tayong on and off switch. meron tayong USB port, meron tayong charging port, at meron tayong TF slot para sa SD card. So let's try to select some modes for the lights. So one mode, first mode, second mode, okay, it goes around, and then the third mode, pulsating light, and the fourth mode is a steady light, white light. So pwede mo siyang gawin parang flashlight. Okay, so and then turn off. So let's try to, oh wait, there's the mode. Tingnan natin kung gumagana yung mode. So ayun yung radio. Mamaya testing natin kung makasagot ng signal.
Bluetooth mode.
And Bluetooth mode. So wala tayong aux cable. So hanggang dun lang yung mga modes niya. So let's do some audio testing for this one. Let's play one music for this initial unboxing and first impressions. Okay, that ends the initial testing for this initial review or first impressions of the TG-311 from TG-311 from the TNG flagship store in Lazada. So, okay, my first impression of the packaging was a bit around 3 stars. It didn't attract me as much as the other packaging, so I give them a 3 stars for that. But the build of the product itself is very good. It's 5 stars, and audio output is so far acceptable. So anyway, this is just an initial first impressions of the TG-311. So watch out for the extensive sound testing and full review of the TG-311 on the upcoming video. So again, this is Charlie Jose, and you've just watched another episode of UpStreamCharlie. Goodbye, and see you next time on the full review video. Bye-bye!